Hi guys, this is Dayo. Welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to draw the eyelashes. So I've been getting requests on this particular video. That's why I decided to do it. So today we're going to be breaking down the eyes. I've already done an in-depth tutorial on how to break down the eyes into different segments and different planes and the planes of the eye and the rest. So I'm just going to be rough. I'm going to be um, roughly just trace to over my image, my reference with this guidelines of the planes, just to like get the foundation on how to and on how to build the foundation on how to build the sketch and also the final um, the lashes. So just trying to like get the proportion and the right planes of the eye first before we continue with the main issue. So yeah, we're going to be replicating the same thing by the side of our reference. So this is just like a great idea or great tip, sorry, a great tip for you to acquire. It's just like a guideline that you do acquire, and it makes it makes the sketching very easy. Just try to trace whatever thing you want to draw. Just try to trace some shapes on whatever thing you want to draw, then draw those shapes you've traced on your picture. Just draw them freehand and just try to replicate the shapes that you've laid down on your sketch, regardless of it being a human sketch or not. It may be object, it may be animals. Just make sure you know the secret of using shapes to replicate your artwork. So yeah, to replicate your photo or to draw. So yeah, we are still trying to like get the eye, um, trying to like get the sketch of the eye and everything in place before the we dive into the lashes. So since we're done with replicating the form and the plane of the eye, we're going to dive into studying the direction on and the flow of the eyelashes. And the eyelash, some call it eyelash, some call it eyelashes. So it's going upwards by that side. It goes upwards, it coils and goes upward, it curves and goes upward. Then this one is slightly straight, this side is slightly straight. Then the curve, just make sure you follow the direction and flow of the eyebrow, regardless of how fast you are. You just have to keep practicing. You can't just get this at the same at once. You just have to practice and know how to draw the strands. You can practically use any other drawing software to achieve this particular goal. It mustn't be on Procreate, or it mustn't be on Autodesk Sketchbook. It mustn't be on any other drawing platform. But you have to, it, mustn't be just one drawing platform. Sorry, it's you can use any other drawing platform to software to draw and replicate your drawings. Yes, guys. After you're done with studying the direction, for example, you can see up. These arrows are facing up. There are arrows facing downwards. So yeah, it's the arrows facing upwards are the lashes, the flow of the lashes going upward, and then some other lashes are going downwards. So that's the same technique you use for uh, the lashes below, the down lashes. The down lashes, I don't know what they call it, but the lashes, these tiny little lashes below, are also having the direction, a downwards direction. So when you're doing the curvy line, you have to follow the instruction. You have to follow exactly what is on the replicate photo, on the reference photo. Sorry. So yeah, you just need to study the flow of the strands and the flow of the hair, being it going up or downwards. So yeah, we are done with analyzing the flow of the hair and analyzing of the the eyelashes. Sorry, I keep saying hair, but you can also refer to it as hair. I've done a tutorial on how to draw the eyebrow. Just in case you're interested, you click on the link to download. Click on the link to watch the how to draw the eyebrow, and I've done a full tutorial on how to draw the planes of the eye. So it's if you are interested in such kind of content, you can try to check them out. So yeah, I'm just trying to like trace out the outline of the eye. It's been actually long. Uh, when it's been actually long, I drew some straight lines, and also the iPad I use. I when I was recording this video, I placed it on my lap, so that was why it's giving me difficulty in achieving a straight line. So yeah, it's advisable for you to place your iPad or any of your laptop on the table, so that you can get a stable surface. If you keep it on the lap, it's going to give you a shaky line, a shaky curve. It's not going to give you some straight line. So you need to place your iPad on the table, just to like have that stable surface. So yeah, as you can see, I'm trying to like struggle with the curves because I'm not having the same posture of drawing. I was using the iPad on my lap, so that was why it's very difficult for me to get the right curvy lines. But um, I hope you have understood the the way in which the eyelashes is being drawn, and the flow of the eyelashes is very important for you to study as much reference as you can. Make sure you study as much reference as you can, so that you can draw different varieties of eyelashes and eyebrows. So human beings vary in their and vary in their eyes, their nose, and everything. So we vary from each other. The nose and the eyes and the organs of the body varies from each other. So it's very important for you to gather as much reference as you can to practice, so that you can try to know how to draw different types of eyebrows and different types of eyelashes. So yeah, as you can see, this is practically what how I draw the eyelash. Don't mind the rough lines. It's because I'm drawing on an unstable surface, so my hand is very very shaky. So yeah, do pardon me for that. So yeah, this is um all about this video. If you have any question, you can give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel, so you can follow the same pattern you've done on the upper eyelashes with the
So
lower
keep in mind
eyelashes,
the
as I've
flow of
analyzed the reference,
the
analyzed our
hair,
reference,
the
to know
flow
the
of the hair of
direction
the
in
lashes.
which the
So make sure
downwards
your lines are
lash
confident.
lashes
Make sure you just make sure you keep
flows
practicing
through.
and you
So
gather
yeah, you
several
just need
references
to
that can
analyze. You
you
keep
can practice
analyzing
with.
the
So
references, keep
yeah,
replicating them,
make sure
and
when
just
you're
enjoy
drawing, make
what
sure
you
your
do.
lines are confident and make sure you select
um
a very nice sketching brush. Is very very important. The same way you draw curvy lines for the upper lashes, the same way I draw curvy lines, that's the same way you draw curvy lines for the little lashes below, which are the little lashes below the eye. So the same way you do the bigger lashes above, that's the same way you do that of the eye. It's more like a um, curvy and slanty hair. Just make sure it's curvy, it's going down. All the hairs are going down. Meanwhile, the upper hair are going up. So thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, subscribe and give it a thumbs up.